Hey everyone, Connecticut's Morning Buzz reporter Jillian Andrews here at Lake Compounce, America's first amusement park, and I'm here with my friend Afton, who's going to show us a day in the park.
I'm very excited because I'm going to have so much fun.
6-year-old Afton likes to kick off the day with a height check at the "Where do you stand" sign to see if she might be ready to add some more rides to her repertoire. Next, she heads to Kittyland. This area of the park includes 9 kid-sized rides. Some of Afton's favorites include Rainbow Riders, a balloon-themed attraction, Zoomer's Gas and Go, take a mini classic car for a spin, the Kiddie Coaster, perfect for preparing for future fun at the park's most famous coasters, like Wildcat or Boulder Dash. And it wouldn't be a trip to an amusement park without a ride on the merry-go-round. This Kittyland attraction is known as the Fantasy Carousel, with its unique display of animals. And now it might be time for a sweet treat. To the Dippin' Dots counter for a large order of the cotton candy flavor, which never disappoints.
Dots, they were pink and blue and they're frozen, but they're easy to eat.
Then it's a stroll through Main Street, home to classic carnival games. Afton, a lucky winner. But if you missed your shot at the games, you can always pick up a souvenir inside the park's toy shop. The last stop of the day, Crocodile Cove. Lake Compounce is home to the state's largest water park, complete with rides and attractions for all ages. Anchor Bay offers a relaxing spot to cool down. The pool is complete with a water mushroom and a massive ship in the center of the pool to keep everyone entertained. After a day of rides, snacks, and water fun,
This place is awesome. You get to do a lot of fun stuff, even go into a pool, and there's a lot of crazy stuff.
Afton joins the thousands of kids making memories at Lake Compounce for more than 175 years. You can learn more at lakecompounce.com. For Connecticut's Morning Buzz, I'm Jillian Andrews.